Crash course on Uruguay. Exploring the Uruguayan coast. Welcome to a crash course on Uruguay, where we'll take you on a journey along the beautiful coast of this enchanting country. From stunning beaches to picturesque seaside towns and world-class resorts, the Uruguayan coast offers a paradise for beach lovers and nature enthusiasts. Join us as we share interesting stories, highlight the top 12 attractions, and capture the essence of Uruguay in a captivating poem. The Uruguayan coast is known for its tranquil beaches, charming seaside towns, and luxurious resorts. It stretches along the country's eastern border, with the majestic Atlantic Ocean embracing its shores. Here, you can bask in the sun, dive into crystal-clear waters, and explore the coastal treasures that await. One interesting story is the legend of Punta del Este, a glamorous beach resort that attracts celebrities and jet-setters from around the world. It is said that Punta del Este was discovered by a shipwrecked sailor who was mesmerized by its natural beauty and declared it a hidden gem. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions along the Uruguayan coast. 1. Punta del Este. This renowned beach resort offers pristine beaches, luxurious accommodations, vibrant nightlife, and iconic landmarks like the hand sculpture. 2. José Ignacio. A peaceful and upscale beach town known for its laid-back atmosphere, beautiful beaches, and exclusive resorts. 3. Cabo Polonio. A remote and rustic coastal village with no electricity or running water, offering a unique and off-the-grid experience. 4. La Paloma. A charming beach town with a lively atmosphere, ideal for surfing, fishing, and enjoying beachfront dining. 5. Punta del Diablo. A bohemian fishing village that has become a popular destination for its relaxed vibe, great surf, and stunning sunsets. 6. La Pedrera. A picturesque coastal town known for its scenic beauty, surf spots, and a laid-back hippie atmosphere. 7. Piriápolis. A historic seaside resort with beautiful beaches, a hilltop castle, and a panoramic view from the top of Cerro San Antonio. 8. Punta del Chuy. Located on the border with Brazil, this unique town offers a mix of Uruguayan and Brazilian culture, along with beautiful beaches. 9. Punta del Cerro. A tranquil and secluded beach destination that provides a peaceful escape from the crowds. 10. Punta del Diablo. A bohemian fishing village that has become a popular destination for its relaxed vibe, great surf, and stunning sunsets. 11. Santa Teresa National Park. A natural reserve with diverse ecosystems, hiking trails, and the historic Fortaleza de Santa Teresa. 12. Laguna de Rocha. A protected wetland area known for its rich biodiversity, birdwatching opportunities, and peaceful surroundings. In summary, the Uruguayan coast offers a haven of natural beauty, picturesque towns, and luxurious resorts. Whether you seek relaxation, adventure, or a blend of both, this coastal region has something to offer every traveler. And now, a poem inspired by the mesmerizing allure of Uruguay's coastal splendor. Along Uruguay's coast, where beauty unfolds. A tapestry of beaches, stories untold. Punta del Este, where luxury resides. Celebrities and dreams, side by side. José Ignacio, a peaceful retreat, where tranquility and elegance meet. Cabo Polonio, untouched and wild. A place where nature reigns, free and mild. La Paloma's charm, a lively retreat. Surfing, fishing, flavors to eat. Punta del Diablo, bohemian and bright. Sunsets paint the sky, a glorious sight. La Pedrera's cliffs, a panoramic view. Hippie vibes and nature, in shades of blue. Piriápolis, a resort steeped in history. Climb Cerro San Antonio for views that mesmerize. Punta del Chuy, a fusion of cultures found. Uruguayan and Brazilian beats, the town's heart's sound. Punta del Cerro, secluded and serene. A beach escape, a tranquil scene. Santa Teresa National Park, nature's embrace. Fortaleza de Santa Teresa, guarding with grace. Laguna de Rocha, a wetlands delight. Birds dance in harmony, a natural sight. The Uruguayan coast, where dreams come alive. Nature's wonders and memories thrive. Embrace the sun, the sand, the sea. And let Uruguay's coastal beauty set you free. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our Anhub Metaverse channel, and may the beaches and coastal charm of Uruguay enrich your journey.